Hi, I'm Jennifer, founder and CEO of Keepster, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an updated backup. For the purposes of this video, we're going to assume you've already created at least your first Keepster backup, but you've subsequently gotten a whole bunch of newer messages which you'd like to put in Keepster. So let's take a look at what you're going to need to do. You open the app on your computer, you log in, and you connect your phone to your computer using a certified Lightning cable. You're going to select the device from which you'd like to import your most recent messages, and the date of your last iTunes backup will be clearly indicated. Now, today I'm going to do an update. Even though I did one earlier this morning, I got a whole bunch of important messages today, and I just feel like I should do another backup. So I'm going to click on the Create a New Backup button, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go open up iTunes and click on the small iPhone icon in the top left-hand corner of the iTunes screen, and I'm going to select the option to back up to the cloud, and I'm going to select Backup Now. So my backup takes a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause here, and when it's done, I'm going to be back to tell you more. Now that the iTunes backup is completed, you're ready to update your Keepster backup. To do that, just click on the tab which will show the most recent iTunes backup, the one that you've just created, and your Keepster backup will automatically begin. So remember, there's just a simple rule. If you want to update your Keepster backup, update your iTunes backup first. The time it'll take to complete the backup will depend on how much data you have on your phone, and again, this will be indicated by the progress bar. All you need to do is just wait to hear the ping, and when you hear it, you'll know that you've successfully updated your Keepster backup and that all your recent texts and chats and photos will have been included. When you return to the home screen, you will see that you'll see your previous backup as well as the one that was just made. Usually they're on separate days, but for the purposes of making this video, we have them made both on the same day. Now that you've updated your backup, now you can start looking at your newly added messages and searching for favorites, creating folders, making books, whatever you'd like to do, and your messages are all fully up to date. If you have any other questions, you can also always hit us up on the chat at the bottom of the screen, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for listening, and we wish you lots of luck with Keepster.